Most people won't see this coming, but very soon, cyber threats won't just target your data, they'll target your behavior. And this is just one part of a much bigger shift most people aren't paying attention to. This is Newell Tech Files, and today, we're breaking down the top 5 cyber threats you need to watch out for in 2026, and why ignoring them could cost more than you think. If you care about how technology is really affecting your life behind the scenes, you might want to subscribe now, because this only gets deeper. Let's get into it. Number 5, AI-powered scams. Scams are no longer obvious. You won't just get random messages anymore. You'll get messages that feel real. AI can now mimic writing styles, voices, even personalities. Imagine getting a voice note that sounds exactly like someone you trust, asking for help. Most people wouldn't question it, and that's what makes it dangerous. Number 4, deepfake identity attacks. This goes beyond fake videos. We're talking about real-time impersonation. Someone could appear as you on a video call, or use your face and voice to access accounts. As this technology improves, proving who you are becomes harder. Now, ask yourself, how would you know what's real? Number 3, smart device surveillance. Your phone, your smartwatch, even your home devices. They're always collecting data, not just what you do, but how you do it. Patterns, habits, routines. And if you haven't already, you should definitely check out my video. Turn off these 3 phone settings immediately. It shows simple things you can do right now to reduce how much your phone is tracking you. And honestly, most people won't realize how serious this is until it's too late. That's why on this channel, we break things down before they become a problem. Number 2, automated financial manipulation. This is where things get serious, with AI managing transactions, detecting fraud, and even making financial decisions. Errors or exploits could have real consequences. Accounts getting flagged, transactions reversed, access restricted, sometimes without warning. It's fast, it's automated, and most people don't understand how it works. And number 1, predictive behavior targeting. This is the one most people don't think about. Systems are no longer just reacting to what you do. They're predicting what you'll do next. Based on your habits, your data, your patterns, they can anticipate decisions before you make them. And once something can predict you, influencing you becomes much easier. Now, think about that. These threats aren't just about hacking anymore. They're about understanding you. What do you think about these threats? Let us know in the comments section. Your insight helps us all, because the more we talk about this, the more aware we become. The truth is, technology isn't slowing down, and neither are the risks, but awareness gives you an edge. If this video opened your eyes, don't just scroll past it, because this is only the surface. Subscribe to Newell Tech Files so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay aware, stay informed, and stay one step ahead.